not actually after sunset. This is just smoke from the California fires. We're here with the silver bullet to replace some spark plugs. Step one, of course, is pulling the spark plug wires out so we can access the spark plugs. And it's a 4-cylinder engine, so there's 2 on this side. And there's 2 over on this side with a little bit more mechanical stuff in the way. Comes out, let's put it right there, keep it out of the way. Looks like my air box might be in the way here, so we might have to remove that first. Which is fine because I bought a new air filter. I've been driving through the desert a lot. The air filter is filthy. So those are out. Lift that up out of the way. Not too bad, but could be better. The dust came out just when I put it down on the ground there. All right. Put that in there. Fits on there nicely. Turn it. Get it loose. Oh yeah. Look at that nastiness right there. It's time. Got some new Bosch spark plugs and some anti-seize we're going to put on there so that these are replaced again in the future. They come out just as nice. These are labeled 1, and this one is labeled 3. I saw it on here a second ago. 3 goes over here. Let's repeat the process on this one, and then we'll move over to the other side. Oh yeah. That's not good. So we're going to need to make sure that at some point soon we're replacing some seals too. Seals and gaskets, seals and gaskets. Alright. Put in 2 fresh new spark plugs. They've been pre-gapped for this vehicle. All clean and pretty. I'm actually ready to put it in there. Nice, snug, happy. So that's for cylinder 3. Same here for cylinder 1. Get that anti-seize all the way around it now. And slide that puppy right in there. Nice and snug. Feels good. And we'll go ahead and put these plug wires back in there. Nice positive contact on that. Actually, I'm going to go in and wipe that one off first. So I'm going to plug that one in off camera. We'll switch over to the other side. Yes, the key is in. Door's propped open. Got a little bit dark, so I cut short the filming just to get it done. Let's see if we can get it to fire up. Beautiful. I'm a happy camper. Sounds like it's running real nice. All right, I'm gonna button her up, put everything away. We'll call it a done deal. Spark plugs in at 289,630 miles on the clock.